how delightful.
Yes! No! Take it down now! I look ridiculous! It's so uncool.
No one will see it apart from us, Nessa. It's on the family vlog.
Well, I can see it. Take it down.
Okay. What's with the green eyebrows, sis?
Ah, these bad boys. I wondered when you'd notice. Now these are cool.
If you say so, love.
The famous Swaymaker Lucky Pug is rocking them.
Swaymaker?
So much to learn. They're online experts who tell you what the next big thing is going to be. Come on, let me colour yours.
Can I, Mom?
Okay.
Now, hold still. Done.
Whoa!
See? Cool. No need to thank me.
Do I really look cool? I don't know if this Swaymaker is right. Mo, go, Gizmo! You know what that means.
Mayor Garth's weekly Gizmoing ceremony, a highlight of the Uli social calendar. And I recall that you are supposed to be doing the honours this week, Alva.
Oh, what fun! I'm here!
You might be, but the mayor isn't. You've changed. Is it your hair?
No, it's these bad boys.
They look very striking.
They really match each other.
I'm not too sure I like them.
May I suggest we try to locate Mayor Garth?
So, what happened to him?
We don't know. It's most unlike him to be late for his Gizmoing.
We're going on a mayor hunt. Uli Bean, you come with me. Mo, you go that way with Uli Palm. I haven't seen this place before.
Yeah, it just popped up. Ooly la la, very fancy.
Doesn't look that fancy to me.
Oh, my God! It is so you!
I think we found him.
So regal! So strong!
So, what they said.
Mayor Garth?
Oh, hi, Alva! What do you think? Apparently, all the mayors dress like this now.
Oh, right. Well, do you like it?
You look amazing! I have a green nose of my own at home.
You look like an emperor! Totes Mayor-alicious!
Oh, yeah, totes. Whatever they said.
Well, I guess you know more than me. Exactly. No need for these now. You make sure nothing happens to this bin, Plump.
These clothes makers are an awful lot like sway makers.
Mayor Garth, your Gizmoing ceremony?
Oh, of course. Well, thank you for your kind work. It's time to go. Bye. Happy Gizmoing. Have fun.
Oh, yeah, like that's going to happen.
Mayor Garth? Is that you?
Doesn't he look great?
Oh, it's totally, styling.
I really liked your old clothes.
Well, now they're in a bin in the Ooly La La shop. There's no going back.